dreamies. I smoke myself to sleep and brain coach modern things I can't relate. Summer camp in coastal states like alcohol and coffee beans, dance floors and magazines. I think it's safe to say I've only got myself to blame. But boys in swooping haircuts are bringing me down, taking pictures of themselves. I walk the web in search of love, but always seem to end up stuck. I'm finding flaws in everyone. I've reached the point where all I want is to sleep around in hopes that I will catch back up. We are parallel lines, we're running in circles we're never meant to cross. I'm at a loss, you were my tangerine, pussycat, my trampoline. Now all I get's are Winston cheeks and dark problems assigned the least. Thinking my heart belonged at 93 in Park. Instead I broke a girl's heart and flew back to Phoenix to finish the year as it started. Can you hear like a song? Are you listening? This is the sound of my heart breaking. But I hope it's entertaining, 'cause for me it's a bitch. Was it worth it when you slept with him? Did you get it all out of your system? Oh, I am a man holding it all. I couldn't breathe, coming across. I didn't know I couldn't get T is for believing you, always be here for me. E is for everything, even when we see it through. C is for seeing through you. You are a fake, which brings me to A. Because you always run away. I never finish phrases I misspelled. Up in arms and prison cells. When I said I hate what I become, I lied, I hated who I was. So when you start to wonder about the pain in my throat, then don't you never, no, never, ever speak for someone